question 35 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2019 forenoon session. A survey line was measured to be 285.5 meter with a tape having a nominal length of 30 meter. On checking, the true length of the tape was found to be 0.05 meter too short. If the line lay on a slope of 1 in 10, the reduced length of the line for plotting of survey work would be. So there are 4 options given. We need to select the correct option. Now, this question is from the topic of error in horizontal measurement. You may watch module 3 lecture 1 surveying by Professor Bharat Lohani, IIT Kanpur to know more about different systematic errors and corrections. Here in this question, a survey line was measured to be 285.5 meter with a tape having nominal length of 30 meter. But this the tape which is used to measure this length was found to be 0.05 meter too short. So there will be one correction due to tape or due to wrong length of tape. So here we can find the correction due to wrong length of the tape. Now in the second paragraph it is saying that if the line lay on a slope of 1 in 10, the reduced length or horizontal length. It means the line which was measured with a wrong tape was lay on a slope. So we need to calculate the horizontal length. So we can solve this question in 2 parts. First we will find the correction due to wrong length of tape, and in the second part we will calculate the horizontal length since this line was lay on a slope. So in the first part we will calculate the true, or you can say correct distance. True distance or correct distance is equal to the formula for finding true distance is equal to actual length of tape, actual length of the tape divided by nominal length of the tape, nominal length of the tape into measured distance, So here in this question the actual length of the tape will be, since this is 0.05 meter short and nominal length is 30 meter, so we can say the actual length is 30 meter minus 0.05 since it is short, divided by nominal length. So nominal length of the tape is 30 meter into measured distance. So measured distance is 285.5. 285.5. So after calculating this, we will get the true distance as 285.024 meter. Now this length we got, this is the true distance after the correction of the tape. Now the second part, in the second part of this question it is saying that this this line was measured on a slope of 1 in 10. So we need to calculate the horizontal length. So since if this is slope, okay, now we need to calculate the horizontal distance. So if this is theta, the slope is given as tan theta is given in this question 1 by 10. Okay, and we have measured this line, and this line is 285.024. Now we need to calculate this horizontal distance. Suppose this is h, horizontal distance. So since tan theta is equal to 1 by 10, so can we calculate cos theta? Cos theta. So this is 1 by 10, that is this perpendicular by base. Okay, so cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, so it will be 10 square plus 1 square, so it will be 10 by root over 101. Now in this figure we can say cos theta is equal to this base, which we have written here h as h, divided by this length 285.024. H stands for horizontal distance. Okay, so here we have calculated cos theta as 10 by root over 101 is equal to horizontal distance h divided by 285.024. Now when we solve this equation, we will get h as 283.6 meter. So here we got the horizontal distance or reduced length is 283.6 meter. So in option you can see 283.6 meter option is in option A. So option A is the correct option for this question. Thank you.